This is the easiest math Olympics problem I've seen so far. So, this is the question. How many of the following statements are true? So, we are given with 4 statements. So, 1, 2, 3, and 4. So, we just need to prove if these statements are true. So, we have choices A, B, C, D, E. So A is none. That means none of these statements are true. Then we have only 1 is true. There are 2 of them are true. Letter D is 3 of them are true. And letter E, all 4 of them are true. So your approach in this type of problem is to just prove each one if they are true or not. So you start with number 1, see if it is true or not. So you just prove if it is true or false. So that is what we are going to do. So for statement 1, it says 50% of 80 is equal to 80% of 50. From here alone, do you think it is true? It is actually true, right? Because you can actually change it. So 50% of 80 means in fractional form is 50 divided by 100 times 80, or 0.5 of 80. The answer is 40. Is it equal to 80% of 50? Yes, 80% of 50 is also 40. That means the first statement is true. So 50% of 80 is the same as 80% of 50. Just remember that. Let's go to statement number 2. 3/4 of 72 is equal to 54. Is that correct? What do you mean by 3/4 of 72? It means you multiply 3/4 to 72. That is what it means. So if someone would ask you what's the 3/4 of 72, you simply multiply 3/4 to 72. So 3/4 times 72. And that means 72 divided by 4, then you divide by 3, and the answer is 54. That means the statement is indeed true. So we now have 2 statements that are true. Let's start with statement 3. 2 over 91. Is it greater than 2 over 93? That's the question. Without using your calculator, can you answer it? Which one is greater? So both fractions, if you notice, have the same numerator. Numerator is equal to 2 for both fractions. For positive fractions with the same numerator, the one with the smaller denominator is the larger fraction. So since the numerators are the same too, what you need to do is you compare the denominators. And if they are positive, the one with the smaller denominator, which is this one, is actually the larger fraction. So 2 over 91 is the larger fraction. That means it is true. 2 over 91 is greater than 2 over 93. So the third statement is true. And we only are left with the last statement. Do you think this is true? This is the last statement, which is so easy. 3.106 divided by 106, is it greater than 2? You can even divide it yourself. And what do you think? The answer is, if you divide it, is actually 1.941, which is less than 2. Therefore, the inequality greater than 2 is false. So what are the statements that are true? It's only statement 1, 2, and 3. Therefore, there are only 3 statements that are true. And in the options given, the answer is letter D, 3 statements. This is one of the easiest of problems, don't you think so? All right. I'll see you again in my next video.